Hey, what is up? This is Tyler Pratt, and in this video, I want to talk to you about the one thing, the absolute one thing that's going to help propel your online business to the next level, and we're going to do it like a total boss. Now, if you're not familiar with my videos, you know I like to talk about the total boss lifestyle, and all that is just allowing you to become really the boss of your life, being able to do the fun things that you want in life, and just being able to have fun with your family and friends, go travel, do whatever you want, and being able to do that with your own online business to where you can bring in passive income and you can bring in a lifestyle that you really want. And I'm going to show you one simple strategy right here on this video that's going to help you propel your business. Now, before we get started with that, hit the subscribe button and hit that bell option right there on the subscribe button. That way you get notified of all of the new videos that I come out with to you on a daily basis. So if you're online and you're looking to create a passive income for yourself, you can do that online. You can do it with affiliate marketing. You can do it with you can do it with e-commerce. There's all kinds of things that you could do online, and in fact, all of them are going to work. I mean, you got Amazon FBA, you got affiliate marketing, you got network marketing, you got Shopify. There's e-commerce. There's all of these great, amazing things that you can do, and there's tons of people that are really successful at them. But it's not really funny, but the one crazy thing is that when you see a lot of the videos, you see people coming online, you see the success they're having, it's a very small percentage of people that are having success with that. And there's really one thing that they're doing, and you can see it in their marketing, you can see it in their business, you can see what they do online. That one thing is going to be consistency. Okay, it's what you do on a daily basis. And I know you probably heard of consistency before, or maybe you haven't before, but consistency is just doing small little things over and over again every day, no matter what. And that's what separates people that are going to have success and people that aren't going to have success. And if you're wanting to have success online, and you want to have a business going, and you want to get it up and running, consistency on a daily basis is going to be your single most thing that's going to help you propel to the next level. You know how many times we're on Facebook and you see somebody, they're promoting something, and then like 2 weeks later they got something new they're promoting, and then a month later they're promoting something else, and there's no consistency with it, and it shows up and it just doesn't look right. And that's what happens is a lot of people do that, and they bounce around from thing to thing, and they never really get anything going. And I'm not even talking about consistency in one thing that you market. I'm talking about consistency in your marketing in general. So every day there's certain things that you have to do. And everything you have to do online is going to be, number one, creating value for other people. You have to get out there and you have to create value for other people in order for people to attract to your business online, whatever it is. And your business online has a certain, it has a certain solution to somebody's problem. And this could be affiliate marketing. If you go into ClickBank and you find an offer that you like that's going to be in the fitness niche, right, that has high gravity and people are making money with it, and you want to promote that, you're solving a problem. You're solving a problem that somebody has. Somebody that's overweight, somebody that's not happy with themselves, somebody wants to lose weight, somebody wants to look better and feel better. You take that ClickBank offer and you put that in front of them, that is a solution to their problem. But you have to get people to, you have to get out there and create value first in order to people to really understand what it is that your solution is that you're trying to solve. The way you can do that is you can do it with YouTube videos like this. You can do it with blog posts. You can do it with reaching out to people on Facebook. You can find people on Facebook that would be interested in your products or services. Reach out to them on a daily basis. But the consistency comes like this, is every day you have to do things. So for me, I do a video every day. I've been doing this for the last 8 months. I haven't missed a day, and I do it all the time. And I used to not really have the discipline to do that. I started my YouTube channel way back in 2011, and I remember at that time I was going to be consistent with my videos, and there was a few times along that path where I jumped into YouTube videos and I would do some videos, and then a couple weeks later I would be going on to the next thing. And I used to do this for a long time. The thing about creating consistency within something that you do, it opens up a lot of other disciplines in your online business. And in order to really get it going and succeed, like with these videos, you have to have a lot of value out there on the internet, because there's so many people out there that are creating value, and you have to stand out, and you got to really push to the next level and get your value out there. I mean, if you have an Instagram page, You got to post every day. Maybe you post 2 or 3 times a day. It's got to be consistent. Now, the thing is, with consistency also comes this mindset of your mind that starts playing tricks on you. Starts to tell you that what you're doing is not good, or it's, go try something else. And you get sidetracked and you start working on different things that aren't going to really help you succeed. So if you're creating videos every day, for the first 3 or 4 months, if you're creating videos, nobody's going to watch your videos. There's going to be like 1 or 2 people that are going to watch your videos. So you have to come out the next day knowing that nobody's going to watch your videos. But the great thing about YouTube is that your videos stay inside of YouTube forever. So people could come back and watch your videos that you created 2 years ago. So consistency is going to help you stand out. I remember, Casey Neistat. He's a huge YouTuber online, and he was telling a story that the first 5 years, I guess, on his YouTube channel, he acquired 500,000 subscribers, which is huge. Then he said, and he was posting a YouTube video maybe once a week, maybe once every 2 weeks, okay, and he acquired 500,000 subscribers. He said that he started posting every day, a video every day, and then that next year, after the 5th year, so his 6th year, he acquired 500,000 more subscribers to his YouTube channel. What did he do? He just became consistent. He became more consistent in his videos. You can do the same thing. If you're doing a blog, it has to be consistent over and over and over again. You look at John Chow. JohnChow.com, his consistency with blogging was, he's making millions of dollars now. But he talks about his first 8 months of blogging, nobody came to his blog. Nobody was there. Nobody bought his, nobody clicked on his affiliate links. Nobody was even there. But after 8 months, he started seeing some money coming in. And now he's like 8 years into blogging, and he makes $1 million a year because of all those blogs that he's created in the past. And he was consistent every day, and he still does it every day. So daily consistency is going to be your key to success. It doesn't matter what platform you're at. I mean, you could be on Facebook, but it has to be something that you create value to. If you go and you are commenting on people's, if you're not really creating value on certain social media platforms, then that's not consistency. So like liking people's posts on Facebook is not being consistent. That's not creating value. But if you create a post that helps somebody in a certain way, if they want to learn about marketing, and you create a video on how to create marketing and you put it up there, you create value for somebody. Now people are going to be interested in what it is that you have to offer. So consistency every day. So what I want you to do is sit down with yourself, and I want you to say, okay, I'm going to do something every day. One thing, just one thing I'm going to do every day. It could be make a video. It could be create a blog post. It could be, reach out to 10 people on Facebook, new people on Facebook, anything like that. Every day you have to do it. And it has to be done, 3 months into it, when nobody's responding to you, nobody's watching your videos, nobody's looking at your blog, nobody's getting back to you. You have to step up the next day and continue to do it. Because eventually what's going to happen is it's going to start to snowball. It's going to start to eventually pick up. I used to grow up in Ohio, and when we used to make snowman, you have to, snowman have the big giant, base. But in order to get that base going, you had to pack really tight snow, and then you had to work it, right? You had to work it in the snow, and eventually it started to roll and roll and roll, and it become easier and easier. But at the beginning of packing that little tiny snowball, you had to pack it tight, and you had to really push into that snowball, and then eventually it started to go, and then you have this giant, this giant snowball that all you can do is you can just like roll it, and it'll just accumulate bigger and bigger and bigger. But to get it started, you had to really work it. You had to work it hard. That's what you're going to do on a consistent daily basis. All right. So find one thing and just stick with it, and just do it every day. If you want to do other things, and you want to, start one thing and stop another thing, that's fine. But just one thing that you're going to do every day, you have to be consistent with, and you have to, how you have to over and over and over again show up, and you will be successful. So that's going to be the one thing that's going to help you propel your business. If you like this video, click on the like button. Also share it with your friends. Comment below. Let me know how I can help your business. This is Tyler Pratt. Hope you enjoyed that, and we will see you on